In this session, we will try to create a resource group, try to create a Windows virtual machine, install IIS, and we will try to capture the VM as an image and store it. For that, let's start with creating a resource group. Select the subscription which is available, type the name for the resources, create. Once the resource group is created, go to the virtual machines tab, create virtual machine, select the resource group, type the name for the virtual machine, select no infrastructure redundancy required. Here we'll select 2012 R2 with 1 CPU and 1 GB. Let's provide a username here. Let's allow the HTTP port. Click on would like to use the existing Windows Server license, confirm it, cross check the configuration. If it is correct, click on review and create. Then go ahead with the creation of VM. On the notification area, you will see when the machine is getting deployed. As you can see, now the resource group is, the virtual machine is created. We'll go to the virtual machine. Let's just set up the machine with IIS. Log into the machine. Let's turn off the enhanced security. Click OK. Now it's off. We'll add the We'll now create the web server. The web server is installed now. Now let's try to access the web page. Web server is up and running. Now you go back to the portal and let's capture the image. Click on capture. Here it will show us the resource group. select no capture only managed image, and select the option automatically delete this virtual machine after creating the image. Image windows, just click on review and create, click create. The virtual machine was successfully deleted after taking the image. Now you go back to the resources. You can verify the image. In order to see the image, you can just click here, or this is the location where the image which we have created is stored. Now let's create a VM with the same image what we have just created right now. Click create virtual machine. Select the resource group. Windows. See all images. Oh, sorry. Go back. Let's start from the beginning. Create virtual machine. Select the group. Click on see all images. On the left hand side you can see an option my images. Click on it and select the Windows image which we have created. Let's name the virtual machine as Windows. No infrastructure redundancy is required. Yes, set the username and password. Select the HTTPS port. Licensing type, we are using Windows Server. Check the options below. Cross check the configurations. We have selected the image what we have created. Click on review and create. Click create. Now the deployment is in progress. Let's prepare the machine for the image to be stored. Go to Windows, System 32, Sysprep, leave the option as it is in default. Click on generalize, reboot. Instead of reboot, select option shutdown. Click OK. This will start preparing the machine image. The image has been prepared and the system is shut down at the moment. Click OK, exit. Come back to the resource. Click on capture. Select the resource group. Select the option no capture only managed image. automatically delete the virtual machine which we created after creating the image. Name it as Windows. Cross check the options once again. Click on review and create. Click create. As you can see, the deployment is complete. Now let's check the image files. Click on images. It took some time for the image to be loaded. Once the image is loaded, now we will create a virtual machine with the same image we have taken. Click create, click on virtual machine, select the resource group, Windows, select no infrastructure redundancy. Here click on see all images, go to the location my images, you will see the image which we have created. Select the image, provide the username and password for the system. Select the HTTP port. Licensing type, we are using the Windows Server. Select, check the options for the licensing. Cross check the configuration once again. The infrastructure, image. This image Windows Generation 2 is the one which we have created now with IIS installed. Now just click on review and create. Click create. It will start creating the machine. As you can see, the deployment is complete. Now we'll go to the resource. We'll try to access the machine remotely and see whether the preset configured web server is working or not. Click on connect. Okay. As it shows agent status is not ready, we just need to wait for some time. As you can see, the configuration what we have done, it remains the same since we restored it from the image. Let's check if the IIS is working fine. The IIS option is enabled. Just check the website is running. Enter the IP address. You could see the web page opening. So this is how we create an image